Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make cleaning your home easier and more efficient. We found this incredible advanced robotic vacuum cleaner with a 3-in-1 cleaning system, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is this product? This advanced robotic vacuum cleaner is designed to be an all-in-one cleaning solution, combining vacuuming and mopping functionality in one sleek device. It's perfect for tackling both dry dirt and wet stains, which means you can say goodbye to juggling multiple cleaning tools. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its powerful 4,500 Pascal suction capability. This means it can effortlessly pick up dust, pet hair, and small debris from various surfaces, including carpets. Whether it's those fine particles hidden in floor crevices or stubborn pet hair that usually clings to carpets, this robotic vacuum ensures a deep and thorough clean every time. Another key feature is its impressive battery life, lasting up to 60 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life allows it to cover large areas, making it ideal for spacious living rooms, bedrooms, and even open-plan offices without worrying about it running out of power mid-cleaning. The ultra-thin design is another highlight. At just a few inches tall, this vacuum can easily slide under low furniture like sofas, beds, and cabinets. This means you won't have to bend down or move your furniture to clean those hard-to-reach dusty corners, ensuring every inch of your home is spotless. This robotic vacuum cleaner is particularly suitable for pet owners and households with hard floors. It's optimized for collecting pet hair without tangling, which is a common frustration with many other models. On hard surfaces, such as wood, tile, and laminate, it glides effortlessly and effectively mops, leaving behind a streak-free finish. In practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day to find your floors sparkling clean without having to lift a finger. You can set this vacuum to clean while you're away, and return to a fresh and tidy home. It's also a fantastic option for busy families who want to maintain cleanliness without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile cleaning solution that handles pet hair, dry dirt, and wet stains with ease, the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner's 3-in-1